I teach environmental science, and so I'm really motivated by our family making decisions that align with the goals of helping protect the environment.
I think I came at it from the economic angle. Our biggest concerns were costs and aesthetics.
We actually sit down with the customers, go over multiple system designs, panels, whether it be all black. It can really be more hands-on. It's a more educational approach.
We went back multiple times till we got it the way we wanted it.
We definitely didn't want any panels like on the front, and we were trying to keep them off this roof, I think.
SunBug is a little more detail-oriented. There's not one cookie cutter system for everyone.
The long process was on our end. We wanted to make sure we had researched it enough. Ben was really easy to work with and gave us the information we need, was very responsive, but was not pressuring us in any way.
Yeah, we were so thrilled with the final product. Like, Ben had really listened to us when we had concerns. Their cost was really competitive, and also it was kind of surprising how easy it was. They gave us the timeline of what to expect. SunBug is taking care of everything.
I think my favorite thing is seeing how excited and proud people are to put a solar system on a house, which is good financially for themselves and also good environmentally.
We had a conversation a couple of months ago about the fact that someday our kids would be our age and they may be dealing with a very different looking planet than we are, and we were really motivated by thinking that we want them to know at that point in their lives that we were trying to work towards a better future for them, and that this is one of the ways that we were doing it. But they're noticing solar panels now too. Like, we drive around town and they'll point out solar panels.
And they're asking a lot of questions. How does it work? What does it mean to get energy from the sun rather than from fossil fuels or the earth? So I think it's interesting to them.
Why did we go solar? We could say it's the cost savings we'll see on our electric bill, because it's the smart and responsible thing to do, because it sends the right message to our kids. It wasn't just because it was right, it was also because of SunBug.